Hello guys, I hope you are all well. After a long time, I have made a video and I was very busy these days due to which I could not upload any video. Apart from this, I have worked hard and planned a lot for you people and have brought many new things which I will tell you in my upcoming and this video. And at the same time, I will explain to you that Geo is very beneficial for beginner traders through which your income ratio will be very low. And I will tell you such strategies through which you will not lose at all and you will make only profit. But for this, you have to stay connected to my channel and watch each video completely. Today is Sunday and I have recorded this video for you. Today's market is quite volatile, as you know that the market is highly manipulated on weekend because the broker market is active and the live market is off. But I have taken trades for you with a minimum risk of $1,000 deposit, so that those who are beginner traders can learn by watching how they can manage their risk. And on a deposit of $1,000, they can easily make a profit of $40 to $50 daily with absolutely zero risk. So watch the whole video to understand this strategy. Here I have placed a trade in the down direction with a risk of $10. The market has reversed a little from there, but you know that the market is manipulating today, so the candle is going in the opposite direction of our trade. But we will recover it. So I have taken low risk so that we can trade with low risk, and if there is a profit, it will also be small, and the loss will also be small for us. Because today's the weekend, I will not take much risk, so I will tell you how you can trade with money management, but you should not trade on the weekend. Since I have recorded a video for you, I am doing this and I can do this. Here our trade has lost, so I will wait a little and analyze the market a little for the next trade so that the next trade can be my win and the loss can also be recovered. Friends, on Saturday and Sunday, the market moves completely opposite. None of your support and resistance works, and the market manipulates a lot. So only pro traders can trade on Saturday and Sunday because they know every move of the market and where the market traps. No, at the same time, on the closing of this candle, I will take a single trade of $10 in the up direction. Here I have placed a trade in the up direction and let's see its result. Hope folly, it will go up. For its confirmation, I have used the moving average indicator and I have added it. It will give us an indication that now the market is moving in the up direction or it can go down. So we have made a trade. The exact place is place in Hope Folly will be our trade one. So the market reversed a little there and there were enough sellers, so we made an error candle. After that, the market is ready to go in the up direction and in the same way, our trade was saved from losing in the last seconds and was booked in profit. We took the first trade for $10, it was lost. The second trade was for $10, which has become a win, and our next risk is $20. Our trade has been done. According to our analysis, the market is now moving in the up direction. So we look at the next trade after the closing of this candle because our next profit is $20, and with a little confirmation, we will place the trade with a safety margin. So you have to see many things in the market. Each candle is telling its direction, and the next move is indicating us. We have to trade keeping this in mind. Here, a doji formed inside, and I have placed a trade in the up direction with its $20 key, so anything can happen here. As you know, doji candles happen with a 50-50 chance. They can go in the up direction as well as the down direction. And currently, this candle is coming in the down direction and our trade is placed in the up direction. So maybe this will be our losing trade because the doji's ends. After that, the sellers have taken control. And here I will use MTG and double the amount to make a marriage of $40. And these are the last seconds left. Here I have placed a trade of MTG in the up direction of $40. Yes, we have placed a trade in the up direction of MTG with a profit of $40, and which is going in the up direction with the controls of the bulls at a very fast speed. So friends, many beginner traders get very worried when they lose due to a wrong candle or due to a prediction due to a wrong indication. You have to be completely relaxed in the market, and you have to be comfortable with low risk in the market, and you have to trade. You saw that an error candle formed because the market is in a market. Error candles keep forming in the market, so I took a double amount trade on the next candle, which is MTG, which is going very deep. And this last of view is seconds left, and our last trade will be recovered, and you saw that our trade has been booked in profit. According to our analysis, the candle has now gone in the direction, and next we will reduce our risk. We will set it at $10 because it is the weekend. We will not take much risk. And as a beginner trader, I am telling you how a beginner trader should manage risk and how he should trade. So you have to follow all these things. At the same time, we will also analyze the other market a little and see if we get an opportunity in another pair. Then we will definitely trade there too. Here I have placed a trade of $10. I think that this candle may go in the up direction. The reason for this is that the market has pumped from a lower level and is consolidating here. On Saturday and Sunday, you need to analyze the market a lot, and you have to be very agile because the market can reverse from anywhere. An error candle can form anywhere. So you have to be very careful. That is why we advise beginner traders to avoid trading on weekends, because the weekend market spoils your entire mindset. And so, here we have our trade one, and according to our analysis, this candle formed green. Friends, trading is a business in which you can make a lot of profit with discipline, a positive mindset, and patience. If you are greedy, you will be able to survive in the world of trading in a very short time. Because if you have to trade forever and have a long journey, you will have to trade with discipline and patience. As you saw, we made a little profit in the weekend market with very low interest, but a good profit, and we are still trading ahead. here, I have placed a trade in an up direction, and I have placed a support level below from where the market was rejected and is now going in an up direction. The market has also retested this zone, due to which the market will now go in an up direction and buyers are in control here, and hopefully this will also become our trade deep because we have analyzed it well with the help of indicators and a strong level. We have placed a trade, and you can see that our trade is going very well, and this candle is forming with a nice body. And the last few seconds are left, and we can see that our trade has been booked in profit, and we have made a nice profit. When you trade consistently and make profit, your heart wants to trade more and make more profit, so you should not make this mistake. Enter the market with a daily plan. There should be a daily loss target and a profit target. When you achieve them, exit the market, because if you stay in the market for a long time, your greed will get out of your control and you will trade more, lose more, then take more risk. And in this way, you will wash your account. Therefore, you need a good discipline and mindset that can make you a long-term profitable trader. And here I have to place a last trade, which will be in the up direction because the market is going in the up direction and this is my last date. And here I have placed a trade of $10 in the up direction. The reason for this is that right now the buyers are quite strong here, and the sellers are. The control of the will go up now. Their fight is going on. So I was getting this good opportunity, so I placed the trade, but I don't trade on weekends and I take very little risk. If I ever have to trade, it's because the market manipulates a lot and I don't want my mindset to get bad. We make good profits in the rest of the trading days, so we don't need to trade on weekends. And you see, I placed the trade in the up direction and my trade has been successful. After depositing $10, I made a profit of $44 on Sunday, and you can make it easily. You can make more than that in the rest of the trading days, but you have to avoid trading in the weekend market. I hope you liked this video and that you found the things I have told you very useful. So you must watch the next video because now I will explain the strategies separately and tell you by trading them together which strategies can give you good profit with very little. So you have to stay connected, and if you like this video, like it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you want to attend the free session, then join our Telegram public community. Apart from this, if you want to be added to our VIP group, you will find its link in the description. You can contact me and be added to the VIP. Thank you so much. Happy trading.